Follow these steps to prepare your Easy Motor controller for operation. Remove the controller from its shipping box. If the handles are not already installed, attach them using the provided screws. Each handle mounts to the sides of the control box with 2 screws. Plug the supplied power cable into the power connection on the back of the controller. Connect the other end to a standard 110-volt wall outlet. If using a pipeline-supplied motor, prepare the motor cable assembly as follows. First, attach the encoder cable connector to the associated receptacle on the motor. Next, attach the included cable extension to the motor's power cable. Connect motor cables to the front of the control box. The top row provides power to the motors while the bottom row is for encoders. For pipeline-provided motors and cables, use the plug-and-play connectors to attach the power and encoder cables to their respective receptacles. Axes A, B, C, and D correspond to motor axes in the programming interface. If using third-party motors and cables, ensure they are compatible with the Easy Motor system and fit the M12 4-pin power and M12 8-pin encoder receptacles. Compatibility requirements are available on the Easy Motor product page. If home or limit switch sensors are used, connect them to the corresponding A through D sensor columns. These columns correspond with the A through D motor axes. Linear stage blocks in the programming interface require associated home and limit sensors, while rotary motor axes do not. Note that these receptacles are solely for home and limit sensors and cannot be repurposed for general use. If using pipeline-supplied home or limit switches, attach the switch to the included cable extension prior to use. Turn on the controller using the switch on the back. Motors will remain disengaged until activated by the software. Ensure all motor and sensor cables are connected before powering on the system. Turn the system off before disconnecting motor and sensor cables. Connect your PC to the controller using the supplied Ethernet cable. Plug one end into either data PC port on the back of the controller and the other into your PC. If your PC lacks an Ethernet port, use an Ethernet to USB adapter. Configure the network settings to recognize the adapter as explained in a separate video. The second data PC port can connect an Easy Pneumatics controller or daisy-chain multiple Easy Motor controllers. If your system includes the I/O upgrade, connect digital or analog devices to the I/O receptacles on the back of the controller. Details about the I/O upgrade are covered in a separate video. When ready to operate, disengage the e-stop. Pressing the e-stop at any time will cut power and de-energize the system. To run a motion sequence on your Easy Motion system, open the Easy Motion Programmer interface and create a new sequence using the drag and drop blocks. Reference the Programmer Interface training videos for more information about creating sequences. Save your motion sequence, then open the exported file in the HMI. Ensuring your PC running the HMI is connected to your Easy Motion system, use the HMI to run your motion sequence. Reference the HMI training videos for more information about using the HMI.